Hello everyone, this is MLV. Let me show you the places and different seasons I have here in United Kingdom. As year 2021 is about to end, it is the best time to reflect and redirect our inner selves. As for MLV, the beginning of the year is very promising. A new career opportunity, blossoming YT career, new friends coming, but sad to say, some friends too left. Above all is a continuous motherhood responsibility that is always a top priority. It is every day a struggle for MLV. Waking up early morning to get up knowing that I'm alone again. I need to set up my time for my two growing kids ready for school and inspire them unconditionally. My time, my me time, cause I'll be heading for work obligations and study. Then in the afternoon, get ready to pick kids up after a busy, tiring shift or new learning. MLV chose to be busy and always on the go every day. But being preoccupied is not a reason to care less, to unfriend, to unlove. In life, everything should be in equilibrium. There are darkness, sometimes, but it will soon end. MLV, being in this YouTube world gives balance to MLV life. It adds fun, it provides hope. MLV Heart found its way to stay positive, to showcase my interests, help those in need, share my cooking skills, and encourage some people who felt low. YouTube enlightened MLV world that life is a beauty and I can be lovelier, be the most delightful by just being me. There were several times that I felt lonely, times I'm missing a companion in life, times that I'm dead tired. When I feel those things, I stop, I prayed, and redirect my thoughts. Thankful that I have sweet and supportive kids, a mother and siblings who continuously checks on me despite our distance, close friends and that I call family, whitey friends that make my heart happy every day, MMMJ, my sisters and some midnight YouTubers who called me Inang Reyna kahit wala akong king, Dayan Studio, Marifel Yao, my loves and their community who believe in my singing talent. Marifel Yao daily live stream is a relaxing ground where I felt a true sister-like friendship. Good vibes and support as well from Hubis Tang Bistak and their team. And lastly, the duo who opened up MLV Reach Out YT Colorful Horizon. Elite Luis SB and Baby Boy Daddy Chris TV. MLV YT World expanded because of these two handsome hunks with their funny tawanan live stream every Thursday. And a GC sending hi, hello, morning, good night in every day. TYT lang is the phrase for this duo, meaning take your time, MLV. But with MLV, time is a vital element in life. If someone gave you time, appreciate and give back in any way you can. May it be personal or YT life. Remember, this is always free, but it is priceless. So, this is my time to wish you all the best of 2022. Remember, hardship in life will never go away. Negative people will always be there, but MLV will always choose to be kind. MLV will always choose to love and will keep choosing to be happy. With this, I do hope you choose MLV to stay in your life. Love, love. God bless.